get that question a lot. And let me go Obama on you. Let me be clear. I don't think Bitcoin is an investment. I think Bitcoin is not meant to be an investment. Because an investment requires for you to have an expectation of a further down the line cash flow, right? That will make it worth that your capital being put into whatever it is that you're investing. And if it's a good investment, it also requires for you to have a positive cash flow at the end of this investment when you actually invest, when you make the turn. And it requires for you to have some to change it for something better, right? I mean, or more money. I think we should not invest in Bitcoin, and this is why this is not financial advice or investment advice. I think we should treasure Bitcoin like it's a piece of art. It's like the Mona Lisa. If you're able to buy the Mona Lisa, you don't sell it because there's not going to be any more Mona Lisas. Well, so Bitcoin is like 21 million Mona Lisas. So if you have it and then you sell it, yeah, maybe you have some cash flow. Oh yeah, what's a good investment? I don't think so, but it's because I think it's going to keep just appreciating in time because every day there's more dollars and every day there's less Bitcoin available. So if you want to shoot yourself in the foot, yeah, go ahead and invest. But if you really want to do something worth of for like leaving a legacy for your family or for your, I don't know, for whoever you have a good heart for, right? Even for your older self, just treasure it because it's just getting started. That's what I believe.